Hi, we are from JVSJ.
I am Lok Chi Chen from 4A.
I am Haruto from 5A.
As the government eases the pandemic policies, now we returned to full-time classes. Yet, after reading the news, we noticed that some children were abducted after school. It was really worrying. Therefore, from the stance of school and parents, we hope that drones can be used for assistance to prevent children from being abducted from strangers.
Schools or parents can use the drones to take pictures of the routes that students go home in order to ensure that students reach their destinations safely.
At the same time, if a tragedy really happens, drones can also be used for tracking, like the location where the student was abducted, the clothing, and the appearance of the stranger.
In addition, when a stranger approaches a student, the drone can also fly low or reverse to alert the users.
Although in Hong Kong, drones cannot be used in other areas, I hope our idea can come true.
Now, please take a look on how we control the drones to complete different projects. Here are the blocks we use to control the drones to flip 2 times. Let's have a look.
Here are the blocks we use to control the drones to take off from one location, land in another location.
Here are the blocks we use to control the drones to measure the highest point of the playfield. Let's have a look. The highest point is around 75.
Here are the blocks we use to control the drones to perform a S-path. Let's have a look. Here are the blocks we use to control the drones to flying in a square flight path with the drones always facing in the direction of the flight path. Let's have a look.
These are our projects. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.